Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
Pinaka system set for major upgrade as Indian Army pursues over 300 kilometers strike range. The Indian Army is set to significantly upgrade its Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher (MBRL) system, aiming to enhance its strike range to over 300 kilometers. This development comes in response to operational needs and the successful application of long-range rockets observed during the Ukraine-Russia conflict, where they effectively targeted high-value assets at a lower cost. The ongoing Ukraine-Russia war has prompted the Indian Army to enhance its artillery capabilities significantly. One of the key initiatives is the development of long-range rockets with a range exceeding 300 kilometers. This move is part of a broader strategy to modernize and upgrade India's military arsenal in response to lessons learned from the conflict in Ukraine. Upgrades. The current Pinaka systems, which have a maximum range of approximately 40 km for the MKI variant and around 90 km for the MK2 variant, are targeted for an upgrade that will extend their operational range by nearly 4 times. The upgrade is part of India's broader self-reliance initiative, known as Atmanirbharta, which aims to bolster domestic defense capabilities. The Director General of Artillery, Lt. Gen. Adosh Kumar, emphasized that the Pinaka has been a success story in this regard and that more regiments are being inducted into service. The upgraded Pinaka system will incorporate advanced technologies to improve accuracy and lethality. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is actively involved in these enhancements, including the development of hypersonic missiles and other precision munitions. Incorporating lessons from the war, the conflict has highlighted the importance of a balanced mix of rockets and guns in artillery inventories. Indian military officials emphasize the need for precision targeting weapon systems and advanced technologies to enhance battlefield effectiveness. In addition to developing new rocket systems, the Indian Army is also working on diversifying its vendor base for ammunition, aiming to build more resilient supply chains. Alongside the Pinaka upgrades, the Indian Army is also focusing on integrating other advanced artillery systems such as the K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzers and the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun (ATAG) system, which are expected to complement the enhanced capabilities of the Pinaka. The Indian Army's modernization efforts are progressing rapidly, with expectations that contracts for new artillery systems will be finalized soon. This includes plans for additional K9 Vajra units and other artillery systems designed to enhance overall firepower along critical frontiers, particularly in light of recent geopolitical tensions. In summary, the upgrade of the Pinaka system represents a significant leap in India's artillery capabilities, aligning with contemporary military needs and technological advancements. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.